Perhaps this is like a Korean version of Piccalilli. Hello everybody, this is Myung. Hope you are all well. From mid-November to early December, it is main kimchi making season where kimchi is made in multiple varieties and vast quantities in Korea. Every household make a plan to making kimchi for whole winter. Especially this is for hungry vegetable season. And everybody help each other, but I can't join it, so I've decided to make an experimental kimchi. And it is Cauliflower Water Kimchi. Perhaps this is like a Korean version of Piccalilli. I decided to make it because my hubby loves cauliflower and has recently acquired a taste for kimchi, so I thought I'd give it a try. Piccalilli is quite common and slightly cooked, but this kimchi won't be cooked, and like other kimchi, this will be fermented. Okay, I am looking forward to tasting the result. Okie dokie, let's begin. So today I'm going to make a cauliflower kimchi. So I prepared a little bit earlier. I'm not going to use gochugaru, which is Korean chili powder. Instead, I will use fresh chili because this is all whitish color. So I like to make it white color outstanding, not dominant by the red chili powder. And instead of one apple, I will use 2 apples because I'm not going to use red pepper. So this will sweeten this kimchi. And green onion, and this is also making some nice color, the carrot, and usual suspect, ginger, garlic, and onion. And this is 3.5 tablespoon sea salt. I will dissolve it in the water and then make it this brine to soak it for a while, and then we'll add this all in the end, and yeah, go from there. I will also use sweet instead of radish because it is easy to get it at the moment. I will show you how to prepare this cauliflower. I just quickly rinse it and just cut the stem like this, and keep this floret like this. If it's too big, just cut in half, but don't cut through all. You will get lots of little pieces. So like this. I'm excited about it because I never tried it. But I tried Piccalilli, so I like Piccalilli. And my husband loves this cauliflower. He's not keen on many vegetables, but this is one of his favorites. So I have to have a go. And these days he eats kimchi, surprisingly. These days we both are eating, so I need more. So this is actually Kim-Jang season, which we make massive kimchi. Everybody help each other to make a big, massive quantity of kimchi because it is really a lot. All family and the neighbors also can help. So one neighbor is doing today, then they all go to that place and help, and next day they go to the next doors, and this is quite common. So now I'm alone to make my kimchi. Wow, this is a lot. It was just 2 heads of cauliflower, but seems like now they have many heads here. Yeah, I will add tablespoon sea salt. Swirl it. Stir it until dissolved. So you have to use a sea salt all the time. Don't use table salt. It's almost dissolved. I will pour over the cauliflower. So another 800 milliliters. I will add more salt. This will take about 3 or 4 hours. So meanwhile, I will prepare these vegetables. First of all, roughly chop the garlic. So easy to grind. And ginger. Onion. Onion is quite small, so I will use another one. And now, peel the apple. Try always first. Oh, slightly touchy and sweet at the same time. This is quite sweet. And I will add a little bit of this and blend them. And this one has to be peeled. This is really sweet. So I'm going to blend it, yeah? I will add a little salt in here as well. Each of them need to be salted, yeah? And I will add a little bit of water as well because it's easy to blend it, and I need more water in there later. It's going to be massive kimchi, like a Korean massive kimchi and carrot. I will make a half moon shape. Okay. And I will add a little bit of salt in here as well, yeah? This is important. Individual ingredient should be a little bit salted, yeah? That's my tip. These two ingredients I will cut in the end, yeah? Okay, let's wait for this is done. See you in 3 hours. This cauliflower has been soaked for 3 hours, and I'm going to taste it. It is slightly salty, at the same time sweet as well. I think this is sweeter than before. Salt brings all the sweetness out of this cauliflower, so it is ready. And I'm not going to squeeze this water out because there's all goodness from cauliflower is in the water, so I'm going to use all of this. And this is all also well salted. This is sweet. Was sweet, but it is slightly sweeter and slightly salty. It's amazing. So I will add this all together. Wow, this is going to be massive kimchi. So looking good. Slice this chili. So I will use all this seed as well. Just roughly chop like that. I will try a little bit. It is spicy, so it is good. Just a little bit of seed out. Add this chili. Now slice green onion. So I will slice like diagonal lengths. Finally, add grind this garlic, ginger, onion. Yeah? This water is all filtered water, by the way. The color looks lovely. Okay, tasting time. Lovely. I will add a little bit of water. This is all done. This is all finished. So I'm going to put this water kimchi in bread crock. I don't use for bread at the moment, so I'm using this crock for kimchi. And traditionally we put kimchi in this kind of crock, so I think this is going to be really well fermented because we traditionally use this kind of crock for fermenting kimchi or contained kimchi. So we'll see. Hello. Okay. So this is another 800 milliliter. Water kimchi has been all done. So we'll see in a week because it will take a while to ferment. In Korea, we make this is a baby version. We make a massive version of kimchi, especially this time of the year. This is a lot more than I usually make because we only have 2 people here. So, hello, kimchi. This is going to be really good. When it is fermented, I will show you how it tastes like. You like Piccalilli, but I also like Piccalilli, but this is a kind of Korean version of Piccalilli, I guess. So hopefully see you in a week. Bye. Cool. Hello again. It's been a week and I can smell the kimchi, so I'm going to taste it. Smells lovely. So well fermented. Cauliflower, sweet and chili, and some juice. I will try cauliflower first. It is yummy. This is crunch and slightly sour because I put fresh chili. The juice is not spicy, but I can taste of a spiciness. So if I eat this chili, it is hot, but juice wasn't hot. So this is ideal for somebody can't eat a very spicy food. It would be ideal. It is lovely, and this is the first time I made it, and I'm happy with the result. I really love it. Ooh, hot. You could use this with the rice noodle or side dish for any meal. You could also drink it. Oh, nice. Like yogurt. Kimchi has lots of nutrition, such as fiber, vitamin A, B1, B2, and C, and lots of minerals like iron, calcium, and selenium. On top of that, it has wealth of probiotics. Okay? Very healthy fermented vegetable. Hope you enjoy my recipe. Thanks for watching. Be healthy and happy. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thanks again and see you next time. Bye!